honorable judges, students, and audiences. I'd like to say good morning and welcome to Miss Competition 2024. May peace be upon you and our mercies and blessings. Ladies and gentlemen, before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Rezki Muhammad Faila, and today I want to share some thoughts about something very close to our upcoming regional election for the region on November 27, 2024. Now I know some of you might be thinking, what's the big deal? I can't even vote yet. But trust me, when I say this election matters to all of us, I'm excited to explain why. The region makes decisions that affect our daily lives, like improving cost of business, growing the economy, protecting the environment, building roads and public spaces, and supporting social activities. These decisions shape our education and the chances we have as students, impacting to our future jobs and the opportunities we will have as we grow up. But even if we're not voting yet, we can still play an important role. For those of us who can vote, it's your change to stand up for what you believe in. But for those of us who can't, we can still influence the conversations. Talk to your family and friends about the candidates. Share what matters most to you. What do you want to see in your community? And here's something really important. Elections can sometimes be heated. We might see disagreement and strong opinions, especially on social media. But we have the power to keep things calm and constructive. Let's not get caught up in negativity or provocations. Instead, let's focus on respectful conversation. By doing this, we create a space where everyone feels safe to share their thoughts. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, this election is about our future. We might be younger now, but our voices still matter. When we support our friends and family in their voting choices, we're helping to create a community that reflects our values. So, let's make a commitment to be involved, whereby discussing issues, sharing our ideas, or simply encouraging a peaceful environment. Together, we can shape the future we want to see. As Sharon Salzberg said, voting is the expression of our commitment to ourselves, one another, this country, and this world. I'm Rezki. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.